night. I got that part finally off. I have the new the new starter on. Got my fancy new light that I showed you guys the other day, yesterday actually. New starter on and get it all connected. Now I gotta go see if she'll fire up. Take tools out from under here. Take that out. Set that. That's not metal. That's metal. No, that's gonna have to go right there. I push this down. Whoops, let it down a little too hard. Move the whole board out. Make sure there's nothing else under here. Nope, it tires a little low, so I had trouble filling it up. Or not filling it up, putting the jack under it. Okay, come back here. Goddamn dicks decided to run over my light for my truck. My truck's over there, you can't see it. Okay, negative goes there. Oh, shut up. Shut up. Okay, I'm gonna tighten these down and I'll be right back. Okay, I got them tightened down. Oh, my lights are on, that's probably why. I had to rip the dashboard apart, so put that back temporarily. Where'd my light turn off? There we go. Put the key in that ignition. Lights turn on. Ooh. Oh, I gotta check something first. Pretty sure that's on. And then on here. It's a little leak, but it should still be able to start. Is it next to the muffler? As long as it doesn't get hot and set on fire, I'm good. That start is good, I can tell that. So now the scary part, starting it up without killing it. Try neutral.